very warm morning from Jaisalmer, Sam Sand Dunes. And today we intend to go to Jodhpur via Pokhran.
It's a lovely morning today, and last night was so much fun. So today we are going to be on our way to Pokhran and show you what Pokhran looks like. It's a new one for us too, and we're super excited about it.
Alright, so I'll just show you. This is our tent that we stayed at last night. So that's what it looks like. Nice cozy, and it was really cold in the night, so it was fantastic. Had a good night's sleep, and we're ready for day 4.
Oh yeah.
We're ready for day 4 and ready to take off to Pokhran.
Yippee!
Anjali, how was your breakfast?
I would say it was okay. But the aloo sabzi was nice. I'm not a great fan of the poha. But the puri bhaji was really nice.
Alright, so are we all set and ready to take off now?
Yep, all ready to go.
Alright.
Hi everybody. We decided to go on a camel cart ride. That's toward there.
In the desert.
He's embodying everything about Rajasthan, right up from his shirt to the camera.
Have a look at the dunes. The dunes are really nice.
Yeah.
We're on Sam Sand Dunes now.
It's brilliant. Jaisalmer, thank you for the beautiful hospitality and an amazing stay. It was one to remember. So we had good fun.
Yeah, now we're going back to Jaisalmer from Sam Sand Dunes, and from there we are proceeding on to Pokhran. So that's where they've got the salt flats. I don't know what's the state of the salt flats right now. Also, Pokhran is very famous because of the nuclear test site. There are certain parts of it which is still restricted, so you cannot go to the actual test site because of the radiation, of course.
Okay, so stay tuned, watch our videos, and do let us know in your comments whether you enjoyed the series. We have almost reached towards the Pokhran Salt Lake, and we drove all the way from Jaisalmer to Pokhran, which was about 130 kilometers. As soon as you enter the Pokhran city, you need to take a right and drive into the village area. The roads are really narrow, not a single human being so far, and definitely no cars, so not many people come here. But we wanted to explore and see what,
Salt flats really look like.
Yes. And well, if you're expecting highway roads, don't, because here the roads are not very good. But the scenic route is really nice.
We've got a local who's showing us the way to get to the salt lake.
Yeah, it was kind of him to kind of help out. He's going to take us right till the start point of the lake.
Wow, and it's sandy. I hope my car doesn't get stuck. Anyone itching for a land speed record run? That's where you can do it. जी, आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम सैनीजान है।
जी
मैं इस देवलपुरा का निवासी हूँ। जो ये नमक झील बनी हुई है ना, ये
जी हाँ
इसी यहीं का रहने वाला हूँ।
जी
ये जब बरसात के समय में होता है तो जो आसपास का पानी इकट्ठा होकर यहाँ इकट्ठा हो जाता
जी
है।
हाँ
यहाँ पर नीचे जमीन के अंदर जो लवण की मात्रा है वो ऊपर आ जाती है,
जी
इसलिए ये थोड़ा सा ऐसे सॉल्टी टाइप दिखता है। टूरिस्ट होता है वो एंजॉय करने के लिए यहाँ आते हैं, नाइट स्टे के लिए। शाम के समय यहाँ ठंडा मौसम रहता है
जी।
क्योंकि नीचे धरती के अंदर नमी ज्यादा है, तो इस गर्मियों के दिन में यहाँ पर 2-3 डिग्री टेम्परेचर कम रहता है। यहाँ ड्राइविंग के लिए भी अच्छे स्कोप है, क्योंकि कोई भी आगे यहाँ पर कोई पौधा वगैरह है नहीं, तो कच्छ या वहाँ नहीं जा सकते, जो रण की भूमि नहीं जा सकते,
जी।
उनके लिए छोटा रण है।
ये कितना बड़ा है लगभग?
ये लगभग 7 किलोमीटर है, इधर 8 किलोमीटर है,
ओके।
लंबा है।
तो ये एब्सोल्युटली फ्लैट लैंड है।
फ्लैट लैंड है, इसमें लेवल 1 है, 0 लेवल है।
कितना किलोमीटर लगभग सीधा
यहाँ से 8 किलोमीटर आप तक जाओगे तब तक सेम वही है।
ओके, 8 किलोमीटर तक एग्जैक्ट फ्लैट है।
एग्जैक्ट फ्लैट है।
सबसे बेस्ट टाइम कौन सा है? जब ये बहुत कड़क बन जाता है तभी?
अभी तो अब जैसे अभी से शुरू हो गया, बरसात नहीं होगी तब तो ये
तो मई में ज्यादा कड़क हो जाएगा ये पूरा।
हाँ, जब मई जून में तो यहाँ मृग तृष्णा होती है।
Okay. It's like a mirage and an oasis basically.
हाँ, मृग तृष्णा।
That's the reason Pokhran gets its name. Land of the Five Mirages is what it is. And he also said, okay, there are certain parts which you should not really go to. Flats could be slightly soft.
So we have reached the Salt Lake. It apparently during monsoons has water filled up to about 3 foot, but right now it's completely dry. Though it looks like it's firm, it's not really firm. There is a certain amount of marshiness to it, and if you venture too out into the open, you are bound to get stuck. And trust me, there's not a soul to help you here, and the locals will come after a while. So be safe when you come here. So we have a bit of a situation here. We were earlier talking about how the car gets stuck because the salt lake is deceiving. It's quite soft when you walk on it. So imagine if you're speeding in the car, it's bound to get stuck in this mush below. So Stuart and me are going to push a car which has got stuck. As many helping hands as possible to get the car out. What's this, Stuart? You ready?
Yeah.
Wow. Check it out. It's completely
ये ना, ये सब यहाँ पर ये पैर सब आगे जगह ठीक रहे तुम्हारे ला रहे थोड़े ला रहे
तो आप चलाएंगे?
नहीं आप चलाओ। मैं
So mission accomplished, and now we are headed back to our car.
8 kilometers by 6 kilometers. It's smaller than the run of Kutch and a little bit smaller than the Bonneville Salt Flats, but perfect for a land speed record run. So this place is going to get firmer, and you got 8 kilometers of complete straight stretch where you can run without any obstacles or any obstruction. So that's the perfect place for land speed records.
Sorbet, this is for you. We have a normal natural salt here. So this gentleman was so kind. He, invited us to his home to try out the local food, and we couldn't refuse because he was very insistent, and so we said okay, but very, very kind gentleman.
Yeah, very sweet of him.
That's his home. We've just arrived here, and we'll show you what the local food of Pokhran is. So we have our local cuisine here. This is the local bajra roti, along with ये कड़ी है, and ये है dal. So everything over here grows in house,
Jawar bajra ki roti.
and they grow it right here and make it fresh. Lovely, brilliant.
That's amazing. Now we are on our way to Jodhpur, and on the way we'll stop at Kesaria. Anjali, where are we going to now?
Kesaria balam aao re padharo maro des.
Hi guys, so we've reached Kesaria. The sun has set. It's been a long day and a fantastic day all the same. So please do like, share and subscribe.
And hope you enjoyed today's vlog with the backdrop of the salt
The
panes.
sunset. The sunset.
The salt panes or the Pokhran thingy.
No.
Say it again.
Okay.
Do like, share and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching our vlog.
Yeah.
See you until next time.
Alright, goodbye.